Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're going to create a box for this cute little zippered bag that I got from scrapbook.com. It's by Honeybee Stamps. I'm going to have everything listed down below along with the live that I did. But I wanted to show you guys some little tips and tricks on how to create this. So at first I wanted to do these letters and I wanted to make them look like these letters, like, you know, the textured, these type of letters. And so I wanted to share with you guys, I did do it in the other live, but in case someone didn't watch through that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your varsity letters. There's two die sets that I'm playing with today. It is the zipper bag and then the varsity letters, okay? So I went ahead and I cut out the names of my daughters. And you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna pick two colors, okay? Pick one color, like pink or blue. And then of that color, you're gonna get the darkest and the lightest of that color. So in my case, it would be the 9 and the 136. So you're gonna take your letter, you're gonna start with your dark color, and you are gonna fill it in completely. And you wanna let this dry completely, okay? Very important. So fill in your letters. You can spell out whatever you want with this bag. I'm doing Maya and Lexi for my daughters, my older teenagers. And so these are completely dry because I did it last night. And you're going to take that lighter color and you're just going to go in small circular motions, okay? All over the letter. This is what's going to create that sort of texture to make it look like fur or, you know, like some type of fabric. You know what I mean, guys. It's gonna make it look like a floofy. Oh, we love floofies over here. Okay. And let that completely dry. And once that's dry, you're gonna get this really cool texture on your letters, okay? So to create this box, you're gonna need to cut out two of the base piece, okay? And if you're using directional paper, for instance, I want this to be pink, the pink hearts in front, or maybe I want it to be yellow. I'll do the yellow for mine because she wants purple. Okay, so I want the yellow to be in front. So on your back part, you're gonna need to cut it backwards. Turn your paper backwards so you can get this on the same side. You can have the same print facing on the back. I hope that makes sense. So grab two of those. And then you're gonna grab a sheet of paper that measures 6 by 1.5, okay? So take that 6 by 1.5 inch strip and we are gonna score 1/4 of an inch on the short side. 1/4, like so. And then we're gonna turn it and we are gonna score at 1.5 inches on both. Oh, let's make sure I'm doing that right, yeah. Okay, so turn it 1.5. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of snipping. So right here on that 1.5 inch mark that we scored, we're just gonna cut a little V on both sides. Both score marks, flip it and do the same. And this is gonna create a cute little box for your little zippered bag. And then, you know, they can stuff this with whatever they want. Put my letters right here. And we'll go ahead and this is what it's gonna look like, guys. Let's fold this. And then fold these. Really simple box. I think this is perfect for a little teen because they can put like little things in there. You can probably fit some little mini lotions and hand sanitizers in here if you want to gift this. So here goes our compartment to create our box. You're just gonna fold those up and glue it to your base. So let's do that. Put a little bit of glue. And you're just gonna put that right on the base. Let me make sure I'm gluing that straight. And then make sure you use your bone folder to get a good bond. Let's put the other one on the other side. I had to make a cute little box out of this, you guys. Make sure that your tab is facing the same way, okay? You don't want it to be going the other way on one. And all right, let's get this straight first. There we go. And then I'm gonna use my bone folder. That wasn't a good bond. So glue both your bases. Okay, and now we can glue our flaps. Let me go ahead and glue all 4 sides so you guys can see what it looks like when we're finished. So there goes our box. Look at how cute. And I just did a 1 inch. This is gonna measure 1 inch. I didn't want it to be too thick because I just want to put a little bit of goodies on here. And then you can take your bag and put it on there and you have a really cute little box. Let's do Maya's. So I actually want to cut another set of letters so I can put that gold behind it. Because remember, guys, I was so sad that I thought that it came with a shadow piece, but it doesn't. But I'm just gonna go ahead and cut a shadow piece and make my own. Hold on. Okay, so even though there isn't a shadow piece to this die set, you can make your own. I don't know why I didn't think of that yesterday and just layer them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some glue on the back of this one. I'm gonna have a yellow on the back of the purple to make it pop. And you could just offset them like a shadow piece, like so. But make sure you do it exactly like this for each one. Like right there, I'm gonna have it go down to the bottom, like so. Isn't that cute, you guys? Now on my original one, I did use a gold lining pen, and that came out pretty too. And guys, look, I cut that chunky glitter paper that I have. I could not wait to cut this so they can layer behind the pink one. Amaya doesn't like pink, so I'm gonna use yellow for hers. I'll come back. Look at how cute they came out. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and glue these to here. I want to put my pink floofies, but I know that she wouldn't appreciate them. She does not like pink, so let's go ahead and glue our letters. You probably want to have this ready before you glue your top on. It's a little easier to put on. But you guys can spell out whatever you want. This is such a cute die set. Both of these, I had to have them. And I am so happy to have them in my stash. I love altering bags like this. You guys already know this about me. So this was like a must-have in my book. All right. And then you could decorate it up a little bit more. Maybe I'll put some like little gems or something. Amaya's a silver girl. Look at how cute. Cute little box. You can fit some nail polishes in here. Just any kind of cute little things to give to like a little teen or a coworker. They can have it displayed on their little desk or their cubicle. And let me put the other one together and I'll come back and show you guys. How cute Maya's came out with the, I put a little purple bow. If you guys want a tutorial on how to create these, I do have one. I'll link it down below. And then let's go ahead and put these little floofies to dress this one up since it's so plain. Let me cut this. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of hot glue to tack that down. And look at how bomb these letters look, you guys, with the gold. I'm obsessed. All right, so let's spell out Lexi. It's not really any middle letter to go by because it's 4 letters. I'm gonna put some hot glue. I'm gonna try my best to center it. So cute, you guys. You gotta grab this die set. It's so cute. I had to have it. Had to have it in my stash. I'll have it linked down below. Make sure you guys snatch it while you can. There's a coupon code going on, I believe. I thought it ended last night. And then I'll have a link for all the current free gifts that are going on scrapbook.com. How cute. And it does come with a little zipper detail. I'm going to add that afterwards. But I will show you guys on the original one that I put together. Look at how cute. I love it. All right, so let's trim this little ugly. And make sure all the letters are on there good. I need to put some more on the back of this E. Okay, I see what's going on. I'll just put it on the back of this. Push it down. All right. So there goes Lexi. And then let's do a bow, of course, to finish it off. I might have to put it on the corner. Let me clip this bow down just a little bit. Just gonna clip it down. Yeah. Maybe I should do it on the side. I'll do it on the side. And then I'll add the zipper afterwards, guys. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this little project. Here goes the one with the zipper. And then you can hang some charms. I'll probably put some little beads on here. But these are all 3 of my boxes. I'm just going to glue this one on here. This was my first one. I only did 1 inch right here. So this one's a lot taller. It's 1.5 inches. And you'll be able to put more in there. All right, guys. So let me know what you guys think down below. And I will catch you all in the next video.